Hello, kumusta kayo dyan? Ako okay lang. Hello mga kadarling, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is your kadarling Budoy. What's up yo? Time check mga kadarling, 7:21 p.m. Yeah, so I'm on my way to work. Second night of my 3 night shifts with this week. So okay pa tayo guys. Kaya pa naman kadarling. One more night to go tomorrow night. Yun, I just want to share darlings no na dito sa UK we don't have the hierarchy of authority of levels within the hospital when you're working. Nurses, doctors are equal. We can always challenge each other. Well, when it comes to care that we're giving to the patients, of course, no, it's not like doctor's order are always absolute. When you feel like it's not right, then you always can challenge the decision, the order of the doctor. Dito hindi gaya sa atin sa Pilipinas na when you challenge the order of the doctor, usually nagagalit pa sila, 'di ba? And it doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel good. Hindi ka na parang napapahiya ka ba. Pero anyway, dito we respect each other's opinions. We tolerate as much as possible. So kadarlings, malapit na ako sa hospital. It's just a few minutes away from my residence, so got lucky. Yun lamang po for today's video. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, for the support, for the love, and God bless us all mga darlings. Bye bye.